So today in this class, let's see about the book back exercises for term 1, 6th standard social science, geography, universe and solar system lesson. So the first one is, the universe was formed after Big Bang explosion. Light year is the unit used to measure the distance between the two celestial bodies. And sun is the center of the solar system. The word planet means wanderer, and Jupiter planet has many natural satellites. India's first ever mission to the moon is Chandrayaan. Earth is inclined by 23.5 degrees. The equator faces the sun directly on 21st March as well as 23rd September. At the time of perihelion, the earth is closest to the sun, and the line which divides day and night on the earth's surface is the terminated line. So Roman letter 2 is choose the correct answer. The movement of the earth on its axis is called rotation. The Tropic of Capricorn faces the sun directly on December 22nd, and the galaxy in which our solar system is found is Milky Way galaxy. The only celestial body where man has successfully landed is moon. And fifth one, which of the following planets can float on water? It is Saturn. Name the following. Cluster of star is galaxy. Nearest galaxy to the solar system is Andromeda. The brightest planet is Venus. The living sphere is biosphere. And the year which has 366 days is called leap year. Roman letter 4, circle the odd one. Venus, Jupiter, Neptune and Saturn. So the odd one is Venus because it rotates in clockwise direction. Second one, Sirius, Andromeda, Milky Way and Magellanic Clouds, and the correct answer is Sirius because Sirius is a satellite. And next one is Pluto, Iris, Ceres and Io, and the correct answer is Io. Fourth one, comets, asteroids, meteoroids and dwarf planet, and the correct answer is dwarf planet. Fifth one, rover, orbiter, aeroplane, space shuttle. The correct answer is aeroplane. Match the following. Hottest planet is Venus. Ringed planet is Saturn. Red planet is Mars. Somersaulting planet is Uranus. Coldest planet is Neptune. And next, answer in brief. Name the inner planets. The inner planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. Second one, Pluto is no longer a planet. Reason out. Unlike planets, Pluto shares its orbit with other planets. Third question, what is perihelion? Perihelion is the Earth's closest position to the sun. Fourth question, how many times in a year would you find the sun overhead? You lived on 20° north latitude 2 times. Fifth question, which celestial body shares its orbit with others? Give an example. Example are dwarf planets like Pluto, Ceres, Iris, Makemake and Haumea. Seventh Roman letter, give reason. Why is Uranus called somersaulting planet? Because the axis of Uranus is tilted so much that it appears to orbit the sun on its sides like a rolling ball. So Uranus is called somersaulting planet. Second question, the surface of the moon has many craters. Why? Because the craters are formed due to the meteoroids which fall on the moon's surface. And third question, the velocity of the Earth's rotation is 0 at the poles. Why? Because the Earth is sphere, it is widest at the equator, becoming increasingly narrow further towards the top and bottom. Next one is answer in detail. Distinguish between the inner and outer planets. So inner planet is also called terrestrial planet. For example, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. They are comparatively smaller in size, and they are composed of rocks, and the surface of the inner planets has mountains, volcanoes and craters, and many of the inner planets have rings orbiting them. An outer planet is also called Jovian or gaseous giant. Example, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. They are huge in size. Most of them are made up of gas, and all of the outer planets have rings. Second question, what are the effects of rotation and revolution? So rotation of the earth causes day and night. As the earth is spherical in shape, only one half of it is illuminated by the sun at a time and the other half remains dark. And revolution means the movement of the earth around the sun is called revolution. The revolution of the earth causes season, and the revolution of the earth gives the impression that the sun is moving north and south of the equator. and explain the characteristic of various spheres of the earth. So various spheres are lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and biosphere. Lithosphere means sphere comprises of rocks, hydro means water bodies, atmo means air, and biosphere means living sphere. So study well. Preparation is the key for success. Thank you.